Have you been looking for a new construction home in the Greenville, South Carolina area? Now, more specifically in the Malden area of Greenville? Well, you are in luck. Today, we're going to be taking a tour of the new construction community by Meritage Homes called Arden Woods. Now, this new construction community is actually in the second phase of construction. There is a third phase that's going to be opening up in the next few months, but the second phase, there are still lots available for them to build additional homes. So today we're going to take a tour of the Brentwood Floorplan, which is actually the model home here. So we'll take a tour of that decorated model. This community here, there is a pool, cabana, and a playground for the neighborhood as well. And there are sidewalks in the neighborhood also. And currently, the builder is actually offering up to $15,000 towards assistance, towards the closing costs. And there's also some opportunity to be able to get interest rates as low as 5.875%. So we'll go in and take a look at it. Hey, this is Victor Amadi here. My team and I, we help people with anything residential real estate here in the upstate South Carolina area, and that includes Greenville, Simpsonville, Greer, Taylors, Malden, Spartanburg area, and all the surrounding towns and cities. So if you are looking for residential real estate to sell or buy here in the upstate area, we would love to help you. So again, we're gonna go back to take a look at this Brentwood floor plan, which is the model home right here in Arden Woods. So I'll go ahead and flip the camera around and we'll go ahead and take a look, all right? This is the cement board community, so all the siding have cement board siding, so no vinyl siding in this neighborhood. The smallest home in this neighborhood is about 2,100 square feet, which is the one-level homes. There is one right ahead of us there. A couple of empty lots here, as well as some other parts of the neighborhood as well, okay? And you know, there are a lot of people that already live in this neighborhood, so it's fully sodded, the yard is fully sodded. And this Brentwood floor plan, one of the things I like about it, you have this nice front porch here. And this area here, this would normally be where the garage would be. It's a 2-car garage, but right now it's the sales office for the neighborhood. As I said, this is the Brentwood floor plan. You got the nice front porch here. As you walk in here, you have a flex room. And this could be used as an office, a study, or a dining room, formal living room, a kids play area, which, you know, there is another opportunity to be able to do that because there's a loft area upstairs. And right here is a closet. You know, all your networking will go in there, Cat 5s, and this is normally where they would put the, you know, your cable modem and router and everything. So you could put that in there. There is vinyl plank floors throughout this main level. And as you walk into the living area here, there's a gas log fireplace on that side, and there's stairs that goes upstairs. Plenty of windows, so there's a lot of natural light that's coming in here. And to the left is the kitchen area, which, you know, you got a nice size island there, white cabinets with brushed nickel pools and stainless steel appliances. This is a gas range there, double bowl sink. And on this side over here, you have some additional cabinet space, and obviously your dishwasher there. Okay, and plenty of counter space here, and you also have a nice size pantry here. Okay, it's a nice size pantry. This is more like the Costco size pantry, plenty of shelving in there, so you can actually, you know, do some shopping at Costco. And a little dining area there. Pat around, give you a little more perspective. And we'll go on this side. That door right there leads right into the garage where the sales office is currently located. little mudroom area here, and the powder room is on this side. So you got your nice little half bath here. And we'll head on upstairs. You got a nice, there's a switch right here to turn on the fireplace. And like I said, plenty of windows. There's plenty of natural light coming into this room. And upstairs, it's carpeted upstairs. So you got the vinyl plank on the main level, and upstairs you have carpet. And as you can see, there's a nice open loft area here. Now, the ceiling here is open. Now, Meritage homes, they pride themselves in the energy efficiency. You got the spray foam insulation in there, and basically you have the HERS efficiency rating for these homes. They rated at 59, where poor energy efficiency is about 150. And as you can see here, most typical home, it's about somewhere around 100 or so. But this one is rated at 59, okay? And that's why they kept that open there, so they can be able to display that. And to the left of this loft area, you got a bedroom, with a typical size closet there. And if we pan and swing around to the right, you got the laundry room in here, good size laundry room. And it does have tile flooring, so it's walk-in laundry. And to the right of that is where the owner's suite is. So it's the owner's suite. Plenty of sunlight coming in today. And right here is the ensuite bathroom. You got the private water closet there, double sinks. These are rectangular bowl sinks. And behind this door here is a linen closet. Good size linen closet. And here, 5-foot shower, tile shower. You got the recessed lighting up there. And we'll head on into the nice size walk-in closet. Plenty of room in there to get a bunch of clothes in there. So nice size walk-in closet. Back down here, back in the bedroom. Then on this side of the house, so this is almost like your split bedroom floor plan. So on this side you have 2 bedrooms. There's another linen closet there, and the bedroom there, a normal size closet. Full bath and double sinks as well. Also has the tile flooring in the full bath here. This is your 4th bedroom with a closet on that side. A couple of windows in this room, so it's really nice and bright. All right, let's head on back downstairs. Another thing in this neighborhood, the lots are fully sodded, and from here you're about 25 minutes to downtown Greenville, about 10-15 minutes to down to Simpsonville. And out on the patio here, you have a nice covered patio. Okay, nice size patio. And like I said, there's a new phase opening up directly behind this house, this gray house right here. So I hope you enjoyed our tour. So this particular home, this Brentwood right here, the way it's built, if you built it as it is, or if you bought one like it is, it'll be priced around $399,000. Now, obviously this is the model and it's not for sale currently, but you can buy a Brentwood like this and be around $399 right here in Greenville. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area here, or if you're interested in any other new construction homes for sale, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Like I said, the Meritage is offering up to $15,000 in closing costs currently, as well as some homes that qualify for the 5.875% interest rate. So if you're interested, let us help you. Again, Victor Amadi here, Producer Realty, 864-438-5050. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.